Fortnite just leveled up your drip. Here's how to use Fortnite Kicks, the brand new shoe cosmetics. First, head to the locker tab from the main menu. This is where you customize your look. Now scroll down to the Kicks slot. You'll see a shoe icon under your outfit. Click on it and you'll see all your own Fortnite kicks. For most new characters, you won't start out with any kicks, but as you play more, and of course if you spend more, you'll be able to get your own collection of kicks. Just like back blings or pickaxes, hover over one and hit equip. Want to match your kicks to your outfit? Use presets to save your favorite combos. You can unlock new kicks from the item shop or through special events, so keep your eyes open. And yes, they show up in game, so you'll be styling when you crank 90s or rock a victory royale. And that's how to use Fortnite Kicks. Now step up and show off your style. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick Fortnite tips.